The truth about Uber's business model sustainability. Is Uber's business model sustainable amidst growing controversies? This question looms large as the company faces numerous challenges while continuing to disrupt the transportation industry. Both financial viability and ethical practices come under scrutiny in this complex assessment. Uber has revolutionized urban mobility, offering convenient, app-based ride-sharing services in cities worldwide. Its impact on the transportation landscape has been profound, fundamentally altering how people commute, travel, and perceive personal transportation options. Key to evaluating Uber's sustainability is examining its financial health and ethical standing. By analyzing revenue streams, operational costs, and labor controversies, we can better understand the viability of Uber's business model in the long term. Founded in 2009, Uber quickly grew from a San Francisco startup to a global phenomenon. Its history is marked by rapid expansion, innovative technology, and significant controversies, shaping its current position in the ride-hailing market today. Uber's market penetration is impressive, operating in over 900 metropolitan areas globally. Despite facing stiff competition and regulatory hurdles, it remains a dominant player, continually striving to expand its user base and geographic reach. Uber's revenue streams are diverse, primarily including ride-hailing services, delivery via Uber Eats and Freight. Each segment contributes significantly to the company's overall income, showcasing Uber's ability to adapt and innovate within various sectors of the transportation industry. Despite impressive revenue, Uber faces considerable operational costs. These include driver incentives, marketing expenses, and technology investments. High expenditures often result in slender profit margins, posing challenges in achieving long-term financial stability and consistent profitability. Uber's competitive landscape is fierce, with rivals like Lyft and emerging regional players constantly vying for market share. Additionally, traditional taxi services and other ride-hailing platforms add pressure, forcing Uber to innovate continuously and maintain its market position. Regulatory challenges are a significant hurdle for Uber. It faces numerous legal issues globally, from licensing requirements to classification of drivers as contractors. These regulatory battles often lead to increased operational costs and potential restrictions on service offerings. Labor controversies are another critical issue. The gig economy model has drawn criticism regarding driver compensation and lack of benefits. Legal battles over driver classification as employees versus contractors continue, impacting Uber's reputation and operational costs, and raising ethical concerns. Uber has committed significant resources to technological advancements, such as autonomous vehicles and AI-driven ride optimization. These innovations aim to reduce operational costs and improve efficiency. However, the transition to automation presents challenges, including regulatory hurdles and the reliability of emerging technologies. Customer satisfaction remains crucial for Uber's growth. While the app offers convenience and competitive pricing, issues like driver behavior and surge pricing impact user experience. Uber continuously refines its service and implements feedback to enhance user retention and loyalty. Uber's environmental impact is a growing concern. The company has pledged to achieve net zero emissions by 2040, investing in electric vehicles and promoting ride-sharing options. Despite these initiatives, the actual implementation and effectiveness of these measures remain under scrutiny. Analyzing Uber's financial health reveals a complex picture. While the company generates substantial revenue, it also faces significant losses. High operational costs, competitive pressures, and investments in new technologies contribute to financial instability, raising concerns among investors about long-term profitability. Uber's stock performance has been volatile since its initial public offering. Factors such as market competition, regulatory challenges, and public perception influence its valuation. While some investors remain optimistic about Uber's growth potential, others are wary of the inherent risks and uncertainties. Public perception of Uber has been mixed, shaped by both its convenience and controversies. While many praise the service for revolutionizing transportation, others criticize its labor practices and regulatory battles. Media coverage often highlights Uber's challenges, impacting its brand image. Experts have diverse opinions on Uber's sustainability. Some industry analysts believe the company's aggressive expansion and technological investments position it well for future growth. Conversely, financial experts express concerns about ongoing losses and regulatory hurdles that could impede its long-term viability. Uber's strategic initiatives aim to diversify its offerings and reduce dependency on ride-hailing. Efforts include expanding Uber Eats, investing in autonomous vehicles, and exploring public transportation partnerships. These initiatives reflect Uber's ambition to become a comprehensive mobility platform. Examining similar business models offers valuable insights into potential outcomes for Uber. Companies like Lyft face similar challenges, while others like Amazon have successfully diversified. These case studies highlight the importance of adaptability and strategic investments in ensuring long-term sustainability. Potential risks to Uber's sustainability include regulatory changes, legal liabilities, and market competition. Additionally, technological disruptions and shifts in consumer preferences could affect demand. Addressing these risks requires proactive strategies and continuous adaptation to maintain a competitive edge. Uber's business model faces significant challenges in both financial sustainability and ethical practices. Despite its innovative approach and market penetration, the company grapples with high operational costs, legal issues, and labor controversies that question long-term viability. Future growth and stability will hinge on Uber's ability to adapt. Strategic initiatives focusing on technological advancements, regulatory compliance, and ethical labor practices are crucial. Readers are encouraged to share their thoughts and subscribe for more in-depth financial analyses.